Hey loves, I'm going to be reviewing another wig from HerGivenHair. So a couple weeks ago I shared with you all half wig that I absolutely love. This is the same hair, but they added a 1x2 lace to it. Now hear me out. Hear me out. I know 1x2 sounds very little, but trust me when I tell you it does what it's supposed to do. The natural blending of the part is seamless, okay? So if you maybe just had a big chop, you have very little hair to be working with, maybe your edges are a bit thin, this is the hair for you, okay? You could decide to wear it as a full wig where you don't leave any of your hair out, or you can leave a little bit of your hair out like I'm going to be doing in this video. Either way, you're going to have a deep part, natural looking hair that you're going to love. So the details for the wig that I have in this video is 16 inches, the texture is coily, and the color is 1B. I'm going to be putting in the description box the direct link of the hair. You can use code Esther, ESTHER, if you want some coins off. Now, this is a middle part wig, okay? I'm a side part type of girl, okay? So I'm going to be shaping it to fit the side part. But let me know what you all think about this concept of adding the lace to the half wig in the comments. I think it's amazing. I've been wearing this for about 2 weeks now. I've gotten so many compliments. It's the deep part for me, okay? It's definitely the deep part for me. 10 out of 10, I would recommend HerGivenHair outdid themselves.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.